Hello kids! Today we're going to learn how to draw a super cute zebra. Are you ready? Let's get started. The story begins here. Once upon a time, there was a little zebra named Zippy. Zippy had a dream of becoming the most unique zebra in the zebra kingdom. He wanted to be not just an ordinary zebra but a magical zebra. Step 1. Draw the zebra's head. Zippy's head is special. So let's start by drawing a big oval shape to represent his head. Then, inside this oval, draw a smaller oval at the bottom for Zippy's mouth. Zippy loves to tell stories with his mouth. So let's make it big to show he's a great storyteller. Step 2. Draw the zebra's body. Next, we draw Zippy's body. His body is a bit round like a big bean. Once we've drawn the body, Zippy now has his shape and can start moving around. Step 3. Draw the zebra's facial features. Zippy's eyes are big and bright, just like two shining stars. Let's draw his big eyes inside the oval head. Don't forget to draw his nose and ears. His nose goes on the smaller oval, and his ears go on top of his head. Now Zippy can hear all his friends' voices. Step 4. Give the zebra a crown. Zippy has a beautiful crown because he's a prince in the zebra kingdom. Let's draw a small crown on his head. This crown makes him look even more special and regal. Step 5. Draw the zebra's stripes. Zippy's stripes are his pride. We'll use thick and thin lines to draw his stripes, making them look lively. The thick lines are like shadows left by Zippy running on the grasslands. And the thin lines are like marks left when he plays with his friends. Step 6. Draw the zebra's mane. Zippy's mane is long and beautiful, waving in the wind like a rainbow. We'll use lines of different thicknesses to draw his mane, making it look more lively and fun. Step 7. Color the zebra. Zippy loves all kinds of colors. We can color him with our favorite colors to make him even more unique. His body can be black and white. His crown can be golden, and his eyes can be blue. The colors are up to you. Step 8. Draw the background. Zippy loves running on the grasslands. We can draw some flowers and grass around him to make it look like he's playing on a beautiful grassland. Zippy is finished. Look, our Zippy is done. He's a zebra full of magic and joy. Now he can play with his friends, tell stories, and even host parties. Whenever he runs across the grasslands, all the animals stop to listen to his wonderful stories. Kids, do you like this story? Grab your pencils and follow along with me to draw your own Zippy. Let's create more interesting stories and cute characters together.